In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can lock in profits on Robinhood. Locking in profits on Robinhood means securing gains from your investment by selling assets or using strategic order types to protect your earnings. Here's how you can do it. First step is selling your shares or crypto. So open up your Robinhood app and then you just have to scroll down and find this stocks or cryptocurrency section. So you just have to select the stocks or cryptocurrency that you want to sell. Then on the screen you just have to click on this trade button, and from this options click on sell, and then just enter the amounts how much you want to sell in the numbers of share or your local currency, and then click on review. You can also click on these shares or this order type at the top of your screen to change your order type to your limit order, stop order, or any other order that is available here. So for example, I will select stop order, and then just have it will give you the step-by-step guide how you can use it. Then just simply click on continue, and then you just have to enter the trigger price or stop price, and then click on continue, and then you just have to select the time in force. And once you do that, your order will be placed. Now the second option is partially selling to secure some profits. Instead of selling everything, you can sell the part of your investment. Sell enough to recover your initial investment and let the rest ride. Take profit in stages to maximize gain while staying in the market. So that is how you can lock in profits on Robinhood. If this video helps you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.